Good morning, students. I hope you all are doing great at your places and you all are studying well. And today we'll be starting with a new concept, that is special names. See, what are these special names? These special names means कि आप किसी particular person को, particular place को, particular thing को indicate कर रहे हैं, उसको point out कर रहे हैं, उसी को हम बोलते हैं special things. But if you will reach to the higher standard, this is basically proper noun. Means we are talking about a particular place, particular thing, and particular animal, right? So let's just begin with this, that is special names. So the title of our chapter is special names, right? So what we will be studying, we will be studying the special names of people, of course, the places and the things I told you in the beginning. So you have to look at the pictures and read their names. You can see that this is Akshat. यह कौन है? अक्षत है. ये एक लड़की है जिसका नाम है भूमि. She is unique. हर किसी का नाम भूमि नहीं होता है. ये राणा प्रताप जी हैं, ये भी यूनिक हैं, एक ही हैं. नेक्स्ट इज दिस इज रणबीर कपूर, राइट. दिस वन इज दीपिका पादुकोण, एक ही है दीपिका पादुकोण. दिस इज रामायण. वी ऑल नो रामायण इज वन ऑफ द सेक्रेड बुक्स ऑफ हिंदूज, राइट. नेक्स्ट इज चेतक. चेतक इज अ वेरी फेमस हॉर्स. दिस इज इंडिया गेट. दिस इज श्री राम मंदिर विच इज लोकेटेड एट अयोध्या इन लखनऊ, राइट. Now, the above names बहुत ही ज़्यादा special names and they are given to the special persons, special places and some animals and of course things, right? So we can say जो particular names होते हैं, particular names are usually given to person, places and some other animals and of course things. इन्हीं को हम क्या बोलते हैं? Special names, जिनको हम proper noun भी बोलते हैं, right? Now, some of the special names which are given over here is names of days. Days क्या होते हैं बेटा? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, etc. बेटा, this is not Wednesday, this is Wednesday. Over here, D is silent, right? Now the name of the month, that is January, February and so on up to December, you can see, right? Name of the rivers, of course it's Ganga, Yamuna, Brahmaputra, Narmada, Krishna, Kaveri, Tapi, Narmada, etc. Moving on to the name of the mountains, we all know it's Himalayas, Alps, Aravalli ranges, Satpura range, etc. Moving on to the name of buildings, it's of course the Parliament House, Shri Ram Mandir, India Gate, etc. Right? Right. So always remember कि जो special name होते हैं, they are always begins with a capital letter क्योंकि वह proper है. Right? So what you have learned कि persons or places they have special name. हर person और हर place का special name होता है. Name of days, months, any rivers, etc. Mountain ranges, all these are special names. Special names हमेशा किससे start होते हैं? Capital letters से, right? So now it's your turn. We have to identify the pictures and just write down their name. ये क्या है? He is the one. He is Lord Ram. Because he is having a bow and arrow with him, right? We all know this is Modi ji. That is Narendra Modi. This is we all know कुतुब मीनार है बेटा ये. And it is situated at Chandni Chowk in New Delhi. This one is of course India Gate. Right. Next comes to, this is an Arjit Singh है, ये बहुत ही famous singer. Right. This is Taj Mahal which is located in Agra. And one more thing, that Taj Mahal is one of the 7 wonders of the world में एक wonder जो कि क्या है? Taj Mahal है. He is a famous cricketer whose name is Virat Kohli. We all know he has made century in many games, in many tournaments in cricket. And this is of course one of the most famous boxer, that is Mary Kom. Right? One of the female very young age में ये बहुत ही famous boxer बनी थी. And she faced a lot of struggle period during her educational period. Right? Next is we have to take the special names in these columns. As we can see, boy हर कोई होता है. Lux, book, Ganga and this. Of course, Ganga is a special name, right? Next is, of course, Ankur, soap, Ramayan, river and Himalayas. See, Ankur is a special name because it's a name of a boy who is unique. right? Soap is not a special name, Ramayan is a special name, whereas river is not special because river koi bhi ho sakti hai. Moving on to the Himalayas, koi bhi ho sakte hai, right? So that was all about special names. It was a very easy chapter. If you go on reading each day, then you will definitely find out some special names. Do write them in a separate notebook. Keep doing hard work for your exam and stay blessed. Thank you.